Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a yummy Chinese barbecue duck at home. First of all, a grade A frozen young duck, about 1.8 to 2 kilograms. So we'll need Chinese Maltose, vinegar, and water mixed together to make a syrup. So bring the Maltose, vinegar, and water to boil to melt the Maltose. You may refer to the description for a complete list of ingredients. For the spices, we'll need cinnamon stick, bay leaves, and star anise. Toast the spices at low heat until fragrant. Defrost and wash the duck. Drain and wipe it as dry as possible, especially the tummy inside. Let's prepare the marinades. There will be Churro sauce, Hoisin sauce, salt, sugar, ginger, and shallots. Mix the marinades together. Rub the marinades into the tummy of the duck. Make sure the marinades is fully absorbed into the meat. So make sure you take care about the entire tummy inside, so the marinades is even distributed inside the tummy. Stuff shallots, gingers, and spices inside the tummy. Wipe dry the skin. So tie a piece of string underneath the armpit of the duck. Make sure you can use the string to lift or hang the duck later. The knot has to be very secure. Now is the hardest part for me. Use a stainless steel skewer to close the tummy securely. I'm making the video of this part a little bit longer, so please have patience to watch and understand how you can close the tummy in a secure way. Try to fold the tail up so you can close the bottom of the duck properly. So now the tummy is securely closed. There's no sauce leaking from the bottom of the duck when you lift it. So we'll start pouring hot water onto the skin of the duck. Do not let water get into the tummy from the opening of the neck, so start a little bit lower. So turn the duck and pour water onto the other side. Make sure the entire duck has hot water on. So wipe dry the skin. Remove the hot water inside the basin. So start to pour syrup onto the duck very carefully and slowly. Do not let syrup get into the tummy of the duck through the opening of the neck. Make sure the skin is evenly coated with the syrup. This is the procedure to ensure skin is crispy after baking. Try to glaze a few more times. Hang the duck in a cool and dry space for at least 12 hours. The duck must stay vertical all the time. And no leaking of sauces from the tummy. After 12 hours or overnight, the skin of the duck will become dry to touch. Cut the strings and cut the wings out from the duck. Convection bake the duck at 375 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. My duck this time is a little bit skinny, so make sure your duck weighs about 1.8 to 2 kilograms. So after baking, the skin will become more bulgy like this one. Here is a demonstration on how we slice the duck to serve. This is actually just a home-style slicing, so definitely not the professional way of slicing the duck as you see in a restaurant. You may also cut some green onions and cucumber strips. Steam some pancakes for wrapping the duck, and also serve the duck meat with hoisin sauce. Your barbecue duck dinner is ready. Enjoy!